and welcome to another Thrive Team Builder tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can add and customize the comment section element while editing a Thrive Team Builder template. The element is useful to have if you want people to be able to comment on your website. Firstly, you have to add the element to your template. For that, click on the plus sign from the right sidebar. This is where you can find the list with all the available elements. Scroll down to look for the comment section element or write the name in the search bar. Once you find it, grab it and drag and drop it wherever you want it placed on your template, like so. Keep in mind that you can only have one comment section inside the page. If you have already placed the comment section element into a page, you will no longer be able to find the element in the element list. Once you've placed the element, its options will appear in the left sidebar. You can use all of these options to customize the comment section element as you wish. The first section of the left sidebar is the template options section. You can very easily change the template of the element. For that, click on this field next to the template option, and this will open a lightbox from where you can choose the new template. Make sure that you choose the template before you make any modifications to the element. The reason why we recommend this is because when you change the template, all of the content or modifications you have made to the previous template will be lost. To choose another template, click on it and it will automatically be applied. After the template has been chosen, you can move forward and customize the element with the main options section. As you can see, the first option from here is the Edit Elements option. If you click on it, you will be taken into the edit mode. This is where you can customize each item that forms the comment section element one by one. You can very easily establish the placeholders, for example, for each field. What you should know here is that you can use this part of the editor in order to change the view that you are editing at the moment. This means that if you click on this field here, you can change all of these three states. Firstly, I'm going to show you what you can edit in the logged in user view. You can very easily edit each field of the comment form. You will see here in this list all of the fields that you can edit. In the logged in user view, we can only edit the comment field. For that, click on this pencil icon here. This will open a small pop-up where you can change the placeholder for this field. For now, this says comment, and the way to change it is to delete it and enter your own text. After that, click on apply and everything should be saved. Another thing that you can customize here is the post comment button. For that, click on it and its options will appear in the left sidebar. You can either choose an icon for it by clicking on this field. That opens a lightbox with all of the available icons. Click on the icon that you want to select and click on the green select button. As you can see, the button now has an icon as well. You can remove it by clicking on this option, which says Remove Input Icon. You can also choose the side on which the icon should be placed, left or right. Of course, you can also change the width of the button by either using this slider and dragging it from side to side, or by entering a numerical value in this field. Another thing that you can customize is the alignment of the button. You can test out all of these options and look for the one that you like the most and use it. Just like in the case of any other button element, you can also change the state that you are editing, the normal state or the hover state. Of course, you can also customize the text inside of the button element by removing the default text and entering your own. If we go back to this field here, we can choose another view. For example, let's choose the visitor view. This is what the visitors will see when they get to the comment section. Since they are not logged in, they have to fill in some more fields. Again, if you want to edit any of these fields, click on the pencil icon here, or you can simply click on the field that you want to edit, go to the left sidebar and click on Comment Form Input. This is where you can change the placeholder as I've previously showed you, or you can even change the height of the text area. For that, use this slider and drag it from side to side, or enter the value in this field next to the slider. Once you're done editing each of these fields one by one, you can go back to the Comments form options by clicking on Comments form in the breadcrumbs. Besides editing each of these fields and their placeholders, you can also choose whether you want to include the labels in the form or not. If you do not want these labels to appear above each of the fields, you can simply click on this switch next to the Labels option and they will disappear. I will leave them on. Lastly, from the Editing Comments section part of the editor, you can choose to edit the situation where the comments are closed. Simply choose this option from the small drop-down that appears when you click on this field. This means that you can edit the way the comment section element looks like in the situation that the comments are closed for the respective post or page. As you can see, the default text is the comments are closed text. You can very easily change it by simply clicking on the text, removing it, and entering your own text. Of course, feel free to use the left sidebar options to customize the text element as you wish. Once you're done, you can go back to the Comments form and continue using the rest of the options to edit each of these states. Once you have finished editing the comment section element, in the Edit mode, you can go ahead and click on the orange Done button from the lower side of the editor. This will take you back to the comment section element options. Besides of the Edit Elements option that I've just showed you, you also have the Advanced section. If you click on it, you will see that here is where you can edit the error messages of the comment section element. Click on this button to open a lightbox with all of the default error messages. As you can see, they are shown here, but you can very easily change them. For example, if someone's email address is not valid, but you want the error message to say something else, select this default text, delete it, and write your own. Once you're happy with all of the error messages, you can go ahead and click on this green Save button here, which will save them. If you're not happy with the error messages that you've edited, you can go back to the option and click on Restore Errors to Default. When you do that, all of the error messages fields will be replaced with the default ones. You can also use the Layout and Position and Responsive sections to further customize this element. This is how you can add the comment section element to your template and customize it as you wish. Don't forget to also check out the rest of the tutorials that we have created if you want to find out more information about Drive Theme Builder.